Tree roots invading septic drain lines can cause major headaches, like backups and costly repairs you definitely do not want to deal with. So, first off, if you notice slow drains or gurgling sounds, it's probably roots messing with your septic system. The best move is to call in a professional who knows how to safely remove those roots without damaging your pipes. You can also use root barriers around your drain field to keep roots from sneaking back in. Regular septic tank maintenance is super important to catch problems early before root damage gets out of hand. Avoid planting trees too close to your septic system, especially fast-growing ones with aggressive root systems like willows or poplars. If you're into DIY stuff, some natural root killers can help, but be careful, they might harm beneficial bacteria in your septic tank. Always check with an expert before putting anything harsh into your system. Keep an eye on the area and act fast if you smell bad odors or see wet spots near your drain field. One of the biggest mistakes is ignoring early signs of root invasion, which leads to more expensive repairs down the line. Fix that by scheduling regular septic inspections every 1 to 2 years. Another common problem is planting trees too close without considering root growth patterns. Solution? Plant trees at least 50 feet away from your septic system when possible. Lastly, trying to handle root removal without professional help often damages pipes and costs more to fix later. Instead, trust professionals who use specialized equipment for safe and effective root removal. BigHomeProjects.com makes it easy for homeowners to find trusted local contractors who specialize in septic system repairs and root removal. It also helps contractors connect with people needing their services, making the whole process smoother for everyone involved.